Meaning of detailing.
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 Detailing. Detailing refers to the process of thoroughly cleaning, polishing, and restoring the appearance of a vehicle, typically using specialized tools and techniques. This can involve everything from removing dirt and grime, to repairing scratches and other blemishes in the paint or upholstery. The end result is a car that looks like new, with a level of shine and finish that goes beyond what can be achieved through standard washing and maintenance. Detailing is a popular service among car enthusiasts, and can help to extend the lifespan and resale value of a vehicle.